Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up Assistive Touch on your iPhone 12s and iPhone 12 Pros. So if you just head over to your settings, I'll show you guys where to start with your Assistive Touch. You just have to go down, and then you will see Accessibility under your settings, and then you will see Touch, which is under Physical and Motor. You want to go ahead and click on that, and then at the very top, you'll see Assistive Touch. Mine is off currently right now. So to turn it on, you just want to click on it and click on here. So it's green at the top, as you see right here. Now, first things first, you just want to click on Customize Top Level Menu. This will be the menu that you see when you open up Assistive Touch. So you want to go ahead and click on that, and you just want to make sure this is the icons that you want here. You could also drag them around if you would like, or add more icons if you would like to as well. So let's say if I want to add 2 more icons, I can go ahead and add those. Then just click on the plus icon, and I can add in any other things that I want to here. So I can click on like Restart, for example, and then I can go in here and add something else as well, like Lock Rotation. Then just click on Done, and as you guys see here, I have my new customized top menu level here. Once you're done customizing that, you can back out. You could also change custom actions as well, so single taps, double taps, and long presses if you want to. So in here, if you just click on single tap, there's lots of options you guys can choose from for a single tap. Most people probably just want open menu, but you can go through here and look what there is, like App Switcher, Control Center, Home button, Lock Screen. So there's tons of different ones that you could choose from for a single tap. If you would like to change yours here, just go ahead and click on it. Otherwise, just back out, and you guys can go through the double tap and the long press. They're all the same options, so you can just go through whatever ones you'd like and choose which ones that you want to use. Otherwise, you can go through here. There's some gestures, auto opacity as well. Devices like pointers, mouse keys, a couple other things you guys can change in here if you would like to. Otherwise, once you're done setting it up, you guys will see it's on my screen right now. And if you go back to your home screen, you can click on it and move it around wherever you would like to. And then you can just tap on it whenever you would like to, and then you will have access to all the things that you put in. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to set up Assistive Touch on your iPhone 12s and 12 Pros. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.